Hey friends, today we will discuss about complex number. आपने ऑलरेडी बहुत सारी वीडियो देखी होंगी, सुनी होंगी. तो लेट्स टुडे वी स्टार्ट दिस टॉपिक विद न्यू अप्रोच. Let's start with the help of the example. Now, taking a polynomial, the equation of the 10th class x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, I compare this equation with a x square plus b x plus c is equal to 0. Now, after comparing the coefficient of x square is a 1, therefore value of a is equal to 1 and value of b, coefficient of x is equal to 1, then value of b is equal to 1, then constant is also 1. Then in this way we get the value of a, b and c. Now we have to find a discriminant. Then d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now put the value of the ABC here. Then 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. Then 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3, which is less than 0. So D is a negative here. And in 10th class we stop here and write there is a no real value of the x. यहाँ पे हम लोग stop कर देते थे. But now we solve this equation with the help of the new technique and find the roots of this equation. Here we use the concept of the complex number. That's why we need the complex number to find the roots of the equation when discriminant is equal to less than 0. So firstly, you have to know about the value of eta. This is called eta, and value of the eta is equal to minus root में minus 1. Now, alpha is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Now, put the value of b and d. b is 1, then minus 1 plus minus 3 upon 2 into 1. Now, minus 1. So here we separate root minus 1 and root 3. Now, I put the value of the root minus 1 is equal to eta. Then minus 1 plus minus eta root 3 upon 2. So here minus 1 by 2 plus minus eta root 3 by 2 are the roots of this equation. And this minus 1 by 2 is the real part, and this part is called the imaginary part. And this is called the complex number. And we write the complex number as z is equal to x plus eta y. Here x is the real part and y is the imaginary part of the real number. So, complex number is in the form of x plus eta y. Now, next we will discuss about the power of the eta. Of eta. Now, we know that the value of this is equal to eta. Now, squaring both sides. Square के साथ root cancel and eta square. Therefore, in this way, we find the value of eta square. Then value of eta square is equal to minus 1. Next, we find the value of the eta cube and eta cube. Now, I write eta cube as eta square plus 1. Then, after separating eta square into eta. And what is the value of the eta square? That is a minus 1 multiplied by eta. Then this is equal to minus eta. Therefore, value of eta cube is equal to minus eta. Next, we have to find the value of eta 4. Then eta 4 equal to eta square into eta square. Then what is the value of eta square? Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Minus minus cancel. In this way, we get the value of eta 4 is equal to 1. So, with the help of these value, you can find the any value of the any power of the eta by dividing the power of eta with 4. eta की पावर जो है वो ग्रेटर देन 4 आ रही है, तो आप उसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? वी सॉल्व दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ 4. तो जब भी आपके पास eta की पावर जो है वो 4 से ग्रेटर आएगी, देन वी डिवाइड द दैट पावर विद 4 and the remainder is your answer, and your answer will be in the form of eta square and eta cube. Let us take an example. First question, eta की power 39. Now here power is a 39, then divide the 39 with 4, then 4 9s are 36, then remainder is 3. तो जो आपके पास रिमाइंडर यहाँ पे आया है वही आपका आंसर होगा. आइटा की पावर 3 इज योर आंसर. देन व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द आइटा क्यूब? दैट इज द माइनस आइटा. यू कैन चेक, दिस इज योर आंसर. नेक्स्ट, टेक द अनदर सम. यू कैन टेक फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ आइटा पावर 19. देन आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग द 19 विद 4 you get the remainder 4 for the 16 and remainder is 19 minus 16 again 3. 19 divided by 4, then 4 for the 16, then again remainder is 3, then eta cube, and what is the value of the eta cube? That is the minus eta. Next, take the another question. Eta power 135. Then again divide this number with 4. There is no need to divide the whole number with 4. Take the last two digits and divide it with 4. There is a 35. When we divide this number with 4, and remainder will be 8 for the 32, then remainder is 3, then again remainder is 3, then eta cube value is equal to minus eta. जब भी आप लोग 4 से डिवाइड करोगे, यू नो दैट रिमाइंडर आपके पास ऑलवेज क्या आएगा? 0, 1, 2 and 3, एंड यू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ द eta square and eta cube and eta 4. In this way you can find the value in few seconds.